Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some Sunday reset. I feel I haven't shared these type of videos over here on my channel for a very long time, but as you can tell, we did start off here in my bedroom. I did recently wash like my beddings and everything, so it's going to go ahead and put my bed together, and it's like there's nothing more satisfying than to start a new week with fresh bedding. Once I had my bed all done, I did add these layered throw blankets on the edge of the bed. So I did this sage green color one. It matches the sage green pillow I put in the middle of the bed before the pumpkin one. And then just to bring in more of that darker gray from the pillowcases you can see here, I just layered it with this knitted one that's from Walmart. I think we bought this one like last year, and then the green one is from Burlington. So it was a quick cleanup here in the bedroom. So I'm just going to be sharing all the afters here, how our bedroom now turned out. I also wiped down the bathroom sink, the toilet, all of that, but I didn't share that part with you guys, but I did want to go ahead and mention. So now we're going to go ahead and quickly move into the pantry. I'm just kind of like lightly sorting out whatever items are like out of place or that are just need to be fixed and so on, because after I'm done cleaning and fixing everything we have to do or that I have to do on this day, I am going to sit down and do my grocery order. We do order our groceries from Walmart, so I just go ahead and just use the app, order my groceries, and then they just drop them off at my door, which is such a relief. But I also had my napkin dish in the kitchen that I needed to get refilled, so we're going to go ahead and fix that up, put the extra napkins back inside the pantry, and then of course we have to move on to our laundry room since it's just across from my pantry. Now in the laundry room, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wipe down the counters, remove anything that's not supposed to be here. We always do laundry on the weekends, so we do that on Saturdays, like pretty much all day Saturday, and then whatever's not done, we finish it up early Sunday. So the laundry has already been done. Everything is ready. So what I'm going to do is clean out my washer. I do like to do this very often, of course, because I feel like if you don't, the washer starts to smell. But luckily our washer does let us know when like the whole washer needs to be cleaned. And it was already mentioning this a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning out here, like where the soap dispenser's at and the downy dispenser, and then of course wiping all around where I dispense, like this is where you put the bleach at and all of that. And then at the end, we are going to be throwing one of those capsules that I throw in there, like a tablet that I throw inside there, just to wash the washer. And then out there, I was just showing you guys how dusty everything is in this laundry room. We do use this laundry room here to enter our home on a daily basis, because the door that's leads you out from here is to where the garage is at, and we always enter and exit through the garage, of course. But now we're just going to go ahead and quickly throw this little tablet inside of the washer. I do pick these up at Walmart. I've tried other brands like the Tide, like the powder that you shake in there. It's just like I felt it was so strong and so overwhelming, the smell, so I went ahead and just stick with the tablets for now. But now I did move on to the kids' bathroom. Like I mentioned, I had cleaned up my bathroom, but I didn't share with you guys. But this is more like of a fall Sunday reset. So my bathroom is not decorated for fall or anything like that. I only do the kids' bathroom for every holiday and season, especially because it's like the guest bathroom at the same time. So I'm just going to go ahead and share quickly while I'm straining up here inside the kids' bathroom. And of course, I feel the kids' bathroom looks way much more better than what mine does. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and wipe down the counters. You guys seen I turned on that night light or that warmer. I do have a falling leaves, I believe it's called, wax warmer in there. It's from Amazon. I just love that wax warmer. It just screams fall smells to me, of course. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and finish wiping down the sink. And then I do have to wipe down like the board and batten wall where the kids hang their towels, because it does get very dusty, as well as cleaning the toilets and the shower. I'm not gonna share when I'm cleaning the shower or cleaning the toilet, but you guys are gonna notice that I am gonna clean the toilet. And then I'm just gonna share when I'm putting in like the Comet, because I like to use Comet to clean our toilets. um or sometimes I'll just throw in like some pine sol or something like that. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying today's video, and I hope you guys are feeling the motivation. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to this little seating area that's in one of our entryways, the one that leads you to the bedrooms. So I just removed a couple of stuff that were on here. I had like extra birthday bags on there, and then Jilla had like her little Stitch stuffed animal on there. It was like a small one, so you could barely even see it, but I went ahead and moved that and put it away. I'm just going to go ahead and take a rag and quickly wipe off this little side table. And then in my light warmer, or my lamp warmer, I also have the same wax melt, like the fall wax melt that I have burning or melting inside the kids' bathroom. But now we're going to go ahead and move on to the living room. So over here in the living room, of course, I have to fluff up my pillows, but I also like kind of like smack the pillows on the sofa. Like if there's any crumbs or anything, it would fly off. So now we're just going to go ahead and pick up whatever else is here. We did have fair day with Jill in her classroom a couple of days ago, well, on Friday. So I don't know. We were just so tired when we came back, and we just forgot about putting the stuff away. Like we just ignored it for the moment. It's always nice to just ignore it, and messes happen, and it's just part of life. But there's always going to be a time to pick it up. The mess is not going anywhere, and of course, if you pick it up now, there's always going to be something thrown out afterwards. But we went ahead and put Jayla's stuff in her room. She's actually not here on this day. She's actually out with her dad. They're doing the last weekend of the fair again. And I was just so exhausted from the Friday fair. So I didn't go with them. So it's just her and her dad and her two brothers. Big sister stood with me here at the house as well. But we're just going to go ahead and finish cleaning up here, wiping down the coffee table, adding back my tray there. And then I noticed that my fireplace was super dusty. So we're going to go ahead and wipe that down. And of course, I'm watching Hocus Pocus because it's October and I love watching Hocus Pocus. But now we got to move into the kitchen. So there's not much to do here. My daughter, she actually had already washed the dishes from the morning and cleaned the counters and so on. So I'm just going to put away these stuff that I had previously pulled out. And then the extra dishes that are like on the drying rack on top of the counter, I am also going to go ahead and put those away. The dishwasher has dishes drying, like air drying, but I'm not going to put those away in this video. And then afterwards, we'll go ahead and jump into the dining room and cleaning out like the coffee station and all that. I have to admit that since I did this whole makeover here in my coffee bar area, it has turned out to be one of my favorite ever coffee bars that I've done. And if you guys been around on my channel for a very long time, well, since the beginning, you guys know I've had coffee stations from different ways. I've had it here in the past, and I've switched it out and put it somewhere else. It's just coffee station or coffee bar in our house has traveled in different areas, different sides of the walls. But here, I don't know, I just felt like this was the spot for it. And I just love how warm and cozy it looks. You guys saw me. I went ahead and wiped down the table. And then, of course, I'm going to go ahead and quickly wipe down the entryway table because this one can also get very dusty, especially since we've been keeping the doors open because it's actually getting much more cooler now. But now we're going to go ahead and quickly sweep our floors. I would have vacuumed, but my vacuum, apparently somebody didn't charge it. I have to blame it on the boys, of course, because I know they were the last ones to use it. But when they put it back, they didn't put it on the charger. And my robot vacuum, I actually had washed like the filter and everything, so that was still wet, so I couldn't use that as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and use the broom. And if you guys are not new over here on my channel, you guys know I do bring out the broom very often to sweep here in our home. But we're just gonna go ahead and quickly finish sweeping up the floors. Like once again, like I said, I will be ordering our groceries for the week in just a bit, and then I am gonna put like some corn to cook, and then for dinner I am gonna make like some tri-tip pot roast inside the what is it called, the Instapot, and then probably make like some mashed potatoes and then eat the corn because the corn, we have the corn in the refrigerator and I needed to cook it. And I don't know, probably add some like rice, like some rice-a-roni or something like that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys found the motivation, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.